You can find everywhere video about chess openings, but which openings are the best for you? In this video we are gonna find the way to check which openings are the best according to you, to your playing style, and how you to combine all of them in a unique repertoire. Before to start, make sure to leave a like, to subscribe to the channel. So what is a repertoire? Very easy, it's a collection of openings that you use on a regular basis. How to build it? Also, this is a very easy step. You need to choose your moves, and then you need to be ready against all the reply of your opponent. There are many possibilities that you can play. You can choose to play e4, d4, c4, many first moves. You need to choose which one is your favorite, which one gives you the opportunity to go into openings that you like, and then be ready and prepare for all the possible, actually not all the possible, but for the main reply of your opponent. For example, if you choose to go for e4, you need for sure to prepare the Sicilian, e4, e5, the French, the Caracan, and then there are some more minor openings. And so this is how you gradually build your own repertoire. You decide your moves, your strong moves, the best that are ideal for your playing style, and then you get ready for all the main opponent's reply. Now, we want to get inside your perfect repertoire. So we do it in 4 steps. Step number 1. What is your playing style? Do you know it already? Do you like to attack? Do you prefer stable position when you can maneuver your pieces? Do you like to be solid? Do you like to play strategic? Do you love tactics, mass position? You need to know all the things in order to be aware of which one is your playing style, and then to choose opening that let you unleash your power. So if you are an attacking player, play openings that let you attack your opponent. Play maybe some sharp gambits if you like mass position, or play something more solid like Catalan, like London system. If you prefer to just get a position and maneuver with your pieces, follow your plans and slowly improve your position. So how to do that? You could analyze your game and try to understand in which position you feel more comfortable. Or a tool that I might suggest you is this one. Is a website called Chess Personality. It's a service by chess.com, and it's basically a quiz of 20 questions where you can just answer them and find out what is your opening style and also the best openings for your style. It's a funny quiz and might give you some indication, so why not give it a chance. Step number 2, choose openings according to your playing style. Are you an attacking player? So some openings that you could play are the King's Gambit or the Spanish, Open Sicilian. And so to go for very sharp opening with black, I would suggest you to play the Sicilian, maybe the Najdorf or some very complex Sicilian. Or the Dragon, or still against d4 you could choose the East Indian. So go for openings that are letting you attack your opponent. Are you a solid player? So you could choose more solid opening, as I said, maybe the Catalan, or maybe you could go for the Caracan or e45. So make sure to choose opening according to your playing style. If not, you will reach positions where you're not feeling comfortable. Step number 3, plan your training. Yeah, because we are not just being a nice theoretician, okay, how to build a good repertoire. No, we do it. We build together a repertoire. So plan it and start to work on your repertoire, because you need to start to do it now. So choose now how much time you want to invest per week, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. As I suggested in the video about the tactic, start slow, start few, invest few hours per week, but do it regularly. Do something that you can do with customs. Choose how much time you want to do per week and block some time on your agenda, on your calendar. Block exactly a block. You say, okay, Sunday weekends I'm free. So every Sunday I want to do 2 hours of building my own repertoire. And so do it. And you will see that if you do it regularly, it will bring results. Step number 4 is to study every opening. So you block the time, you're there now, it's Sunday, it's already Saturday afternoon, you have these 2 hours, and you need to study openings, right? Openings that are ideal for your repertoire. Well, don't study openings just memorizing moves. I've done a perfect video about how to study openings in an efficient way, so go check it out and learn openings in a way you'll remember them, and in a way you don't feel lost after the theory is finished and you know exactly what to do in the middle games. Good luck and play openings that you really love.
You